Hello and welcome to Ecore. My name is Patrick Flanagan and I'm here to talk to you today about cleaning and maintenance. So this past year has been crazy for all of us, but as we continue to open up some of our spaces in a post-pandemic environment, cleaning and maintenance has become an important issue for all of us. The great news is that I'm here to talk to you today about some of those cleaning and maintenance protocols that are going to help you get your spaces up and running and looking at their best. Now, before I get started, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about a maintenance plan and why it is essential that you need to have one. So you might be asking yourself, what is a maintenance plan? A maintenance plan is simple. It's a plan that's designed to help your room look its best and stay clean. Now, everyone's room is different, so there's going to be some different factors that you need to look at in establishing a maintenance plan that is perfect for the space that you're going to be cleaning. Question number one is, how much foot traffic do you have coming in and out of your spaces? That will help answer question number two, which is, how often do I need to clean my room? What is the frequency of cleaning my room? A good rule of thumb is if you have anywhere between 200 to 300 people coming in a week in your room, you probably want to clean your room at least once to twice a week. Now, that might change based on different spaces and different, traffic patterns that come in your room, but this is a good start. Number three is going to be, am I using the right cleaning equipment? Am I using the right chemicals? Now, this is a very important part, and I don't want you to miss this, because if you are using the wrong chemicals in a room, it's going to be counterproductive. It could even make your room dirtier or harmful with solvents that might be exposing your floor. We highly recommend our E-Cleaner, which is a 7 pH. It's a low foam cleaner, and it's a phenomenal product because we've tested it on all of our Ecore products. Now, when it comes to cleaning equipment, you're going to have a bunch of options. My first preference is going to be a walk-behind scrubber with a red pad. The reason a walk-behind scrubber is so effective is because you're agitating the floor with the red pad, lifting that dirt up and loosening it up. And then secondly, you're falling behind with a squeegee that is extracting the dirt and water off the floor, which is key. You don't want to leave dirty water on the floor. That's why we don't recommend a mop, because you want to extract that liquid off the floor. If you don't have a walk-behind scrubber, we completely understand. But if you have access to one, we highly recommend it. Now, the second thing that you can do is do a 17-inch or 20-inch floor buffer with a red pad. You're going to also accompany that with a handheld sprayer with E-Cleaner in it. And you're going to soak that floor down pretty good. And we're going to show you that to you here in upcoming videos. But that's going to help also to agitate the floor. The other thing that you'll need to do is have some sort of, whether it's a vacuum or a microfiber mop, to help dry that up. And again, those are great tools and great items. You can let that floor dry with carpet fans, which helps out, or you can let it air dry. The fourth question that you're going to need to ask yourself is, who is following up and who's following through? Now, this part is going to be very simple for you if you're cleaning the room yourself. But if you're working with an in-house cleaning team or a third party, I can't stress enough the importance of making sure that you're following up with those teams to make sure that they're using the right equipment and the right cleaning chemicals. Because if they're not, questions 1 through 3 are going to be irrelevant. So now that you have a good idea of what a maintenance plan takes, we're going to go show you some step-by-step videos on how to clean some of our Ecore products. Again, thank you so much from all of us at Ecore. If you have any questions that we didn't cover today, we can always be reached at ecoretechnical@ecoreintl.com. Thank you very much.